Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a herbal homemade shampoo to prevent hair loss. These days we often hear about people wanting to try all natural products and without any chemical harm and silicons for our hair. So today I'm going to share a way to cleanse your hair naturally without using any shampoo or conditioner using all natural products. I have been using this way to wash my hair ever since my school days. In between college I did switch to using shampoos and conditioner mainly because of lack of time and my laziness. But these days I'm back using this method and totally loving it. So without any further delays, let's get started. For making this natural hair care shampoo or cleanser, you'll need Rita, also known as soap nut, and shikakai. I am sure most of you know the benefits of these two, but still, let me write down a few of them. So our first ingredient is shikakai. The word shikakai literally means fruit for hair or shikakai has been used traditionally for hair care in the Indian subcontinent since ancient times. It is one of the Ayurvedic medical plants. The fruit is known in India as shikakai, fruit for hair, in its use of traditional shampoo. In order it in order to prepare it, the fruit pods, leaves, and the bark of the plant are dried, ground into a powder and then made into a paste. While this traditional shampoo does not produce the natural amount of lather that a sulfate containing shampoo would, it is considered a good cleanser. It is mild, having a naturally low pH, and does not strip hair of natural oils. Usually, no conditioner is needed, for shikakai acts as a detangler. Next is soap nuts called Ritatu. Soap nuts such as those of Cepidus mucorosi are used in Ayurveda. They are a popular ingredient in Ayurvedic shampoos and cleansers. They are used in Ayurvedic medicine as a treatment of eczema and for removing freckles. Soap nuts have gentle anesthetical properties and are traditionally used for removing lice from the scalp. Soap nuts have become increasingly popular as a non toxic laundry detergent. So let's get started with the procedure. And now that we have introduced both the main ingredients, so here let's get started how to prepare it. For my waist length hair, I take about 15 to 20 Ritas and 5 to 10 Shikakai. This would depend upon the potency of Ritas and Shikakai. Sometimes the Ritas are not strong enough, so you may need more. Rita basically are fabulous cleansers and but tends to dry out your hair, so we add Shikakai to it as Shikakai is known for its natural conditioning and hair softening properties. Remove the seeds from the Ritas and soak both of them in the pot for overnight. This will soften them to some extent. Next morning, boil this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes on slow heat until they are soft and tender. Below you can see higher you can see that the amount of foam is produced. Once the Ritas and Shikakai are tender, we can either strain the mixture and use this water to wash your hair, or the way I do is to crush all the Ritas and Shikakai together to remove their pulp and juice. Add more water if required and then strain this mixture and store it in a bottle. This water can be used to wash your hair. You can also store this in fridge for a week. How to use this water like shampoo that we have prepared at home. First, wash your hair with plain water. Now use the soap liquid we prepared and rinse your hair gently. Remove no foam. Remember, no foam will be created until and unless the hair is clean. So you may need to repeat this procedure at least 2 to 3 times. It usually do it in 3 times and oil my hair before washing. Yes, it removes oil from hair too. Since Rita are cleansers, they also have tendency to dry out your hair and get them tangled. Shikagai helps in certain extent to make the hair soft and manageable. But I highly suggest using a conditioner after this. If you have normal hair, you probably won't need conditioners, but if you have dry hair, do use a conditioner. After all, I have to talk about its benefits too. इसके benefit क्या है? It's natural, so free of chemicals. Both the ingredients are known for their benefits for hair. Rita, also known as cleanses, helps to remove dirt from hair very effectively. Shikakais make hair soft and manageable. Hair loss is very less as compared to when using natural normal shampoos. Hair loss is like we get rid of frizz too. We get frizz free hair. Yes, it controls frizz to great extent, improves hair texture and make them stronger. I have felt them myself that after washing my hair using this liquid, my hair feels stronger from roots. Helps with dandruff, make my hair appear super straight, promote hair growth in long run. Shikakai is very mild and pH balanced, so won't strip off natural oils from scalp. The problem with this myth is that it is quite a bit messy and time consuming, but since the benefits are so high, I won't mind going that extra mile. So this procedure is very versatile and add some shikakai powder, amla powder, hibiscus powder, etc. and make changes suiting your hair. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.